Now to see the derivation about kinematic equations of uniformly accelerated motion. So for that, first we have to consider a body starting with the initial velocity v naught and moving with uniform acceleration a, okay, and for time interval t along a straight line, and let the final velocity of a body be v, and the displacement it has covered in this time interval is s, and the vt graph of this is so we are taking a vt graph, velocity time graph, okay, and object is starting from a velocity v naught and ending at velocity v, okay, and a time interval for this is t, okay. So let's consider a, b, c, d, and this is origin, okay. First we know that the acceleration of a body is equal to the slope of the straight line AB. That is acceleration is equal to slope of AB is BC by AC, and if this is V naught and this BD is V, BC is V minus V naught, okay. So that is V minus V naught by DC OD is equal to AC, so which is T, okay. So therefore AT is equal to V minus V naught, or V minus V naught is equal to AT, which is the first equation of the kinematics, okay. And next, second one is the slope under the line, the area under the line AB gives displacement. That is, displacement S is equal to area of ABDO. So area of ABDO is area of triangle ABC plus area of ACDO, okay. Area of triangle is half base into height plus area of ACDO is length into breadth, okay. So S is equal to half of base is T and height is V minus V naught plus length is T and height is V naught, okay. And so therefore S is equal to V naught T plus half of, here see, V minus V naught is equal to V minus V naught is equal to 80. So therefore half T into 80, right? So S is equal to V naught T plus half 80 square is the second equation of the kinematics. And for the third equation also we should consider the area under the line AB. Okay, area under the line AB gives displacement. So displacement is equal to area of triangle ABC plus area of CBDO. Okay, so S is equal to half base height length into breadth. S is equal to half base is time V minus V naught, and length is T and V naught, breadth is V naught. Okay, so here S is equal to half of TV minus half V naught plus T V naught. Okay, half V naught T. So S is equal to half TV minus and plus V naught T, if I take common, 1 minus half is remaining. S is equal to half Vt plus V naught T into 2 minus 1 by 2, which is half only. S is equal to half Vt plus half V naught T. Okay. So S is half T I am taking common. So V naught plus V is there. So, and from first equation V minus V naught is equal to 80. So therefore T is equal to V minus V naught by A. Substitute this equation in this one. So S is equal to half V minus V naught by A into V naught plus V. So that is S is equal to half of A minus B into A plus B is A plus B into A minus B is A square minus B square. This formula we are using here. So therefore V square minus V naught square by A. So therefore V square minus V naught square is equal to 2AS. We are done with all three derivations.